Okay, guys, we're back with the last section of Conic Sections-Ellipses. And we're still doing the same thing we just got done doing, which was graphing the ellipse. We still need to find the center. We need to find A and we need to find B. Remember, A is the distance side to side, and B is the distance up and down. Now, they still give us an equation. It's just not in the standard form to graph it. So we need to put it in that form, and that's what we're going to do first. So remember, I'm going to just come down and write the equation up here. Remember, the standard form says what? X minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. So the one thing I do know from doing this is that the constant needs to be on the other side of the equal sign. So I'm going to add 100. Okay. So I get 25x squared plus 4y squared equals 100. Are we okay so far? Now the other thing I know is that it has to equal what? Well, it has to equal 1. So how do I get 100 to equal 1? Well, I divide by 100. And if I divide that side by 100, I have to divide the whole other side by 100. So I'm going to divide this one by 100 and this one. So I'm dividing everything by 100. So it's all even. Yes? So let's get to work. So I know that 25 goes into 25 one time and into 100 4 times because there's 4 quarters in a dollar. So that means I get x squared over 4. Plus, now I'm going to simplify this. I have 4 on top and 4 goes into 4 once and into 100 25 times. So I get y squared over 100 equals, well, 100 divided by 100 is 1. So now I'm in standard form. I can find my center, I can find A, and I can find B. Oh, I totally wrote that wrong, didn't I? I said 25 and I wrote 100. Okay, so let me fix that. That should be 25. Great. Okay, now we should be in standard form. Whew. So what is the center of my circle, you guys? Well, the center of my circle is 0, 0, because there's nothing with the x or the y. Yes. Okay, A. So A squared equals 4. So I square root that. So A is going to equal 2. Great. And B squared equals 25. So if I square root that, B equals 5. Lovely. So now let's go ahead and graph it. So I'm centered at 0, 0. And I go 2 out to the left, 2 to the right. And then I go 5 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I attempt to draw an ellipse that looks vaguely correct. There we go. Okay, so that wasn't too bad once I put it in form. Now you know it's probably going to get a little teeny bit harder, just a little bit. Okay, so we're going to do the, oh, I guess maybe it's not going to get a little harder. I think maybe I gave you simple ones, so that's a good thing. Here we go. So I'm going to add 36 to both sides, and I get x squared plus 36y squared equals 36. Divide by 36. So I get x squared divided by 36 plus y squared equals 1. Okay, so what's the center of my circle? 0, 0. Good. And what does A equal? 6. Because A squared is 36. A squared equals 36. So A is going to be 6. And B is going to be 1. B squared equals 1. So I square root it and it's 1. Okay, so here we go. Center of my circle is 0, 0. 6 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 6 to the left, whichever direction that is, and 6 the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 up, 1 down, and there you go, an ellipse. Okay, so I think that is it. If you guys have any questions, please make sure that you are asking me. I will get back to you most of the time, unless you're emailing me or messaging me like way late at night. So usually past 8 o'clock I won't answer, just so you know. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good night. See you in the next lesson. Bye.